Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your CashApp account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your CashApp, firstly open your CashApp application. The home page of CashApp will appear on the screen. Click on the little gear icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. On the next page, tap on Login option. Enter your email address as well as password associated with your Cash App account and then tap on Login. This is how you can log into your Cash App application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.